Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you the steps on how to get confirmation email in PayPal. In order to get a confirmation email on PayPal, first thing first, update your application and then log into your PayPal account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to the home page, and this is how the interface is going to look like. In order to confirm an email, just tap on your profile icon located right on top, and this is going to take you to the profile page. As you can see right over here that my email address has not been verified or confirmed, so click on the confirm button. And this is going to take you to the field where it's going to ask you whether you want to confirm it with a Google ID or send a code instead. So I'm just going to go with send a code instead, and this is going to send a code through my email. So you'll need to type in right over here after you receive the verification code. So here you go that I have received a verification code. So just open up your Gmail and then copy the verification code. Once you've done copying the verification code, go back to your PayPal account and then type in right over here or paste it over here. So as you can see, once you're done entering your verification code, that the email has been confirmed, which means that the email has been verified. In this way you can confirm your email in PayPal. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.